finally we have reached the Kurukshetra Gurukul, and now as you can see I have reached on the gate of Kurukshetra here, and just I am entering in this gate, and after that I will try to show you a lot of things in this college, because as you can see this is the Kurukshetra, and in Haryana finally we have reached in the college Kurukshetra. So we will visit here and I will show you a lot of things, and I will try to explore how we are feeling here. So basically, one of my nephew is studying in this college, and he's living in hostel from since last I think since last 3 years. Nice. He's living in this hostel I think from last 2 years. Yeah, basically, he has been left 3 years ago. He left their home, and finally we came here for meet them, and we will discuss and how he's feeling in this college. So Mona, you tell me how you are feeling after coming over here, because your brother is studying in this college, and how is you are feeling, so you can tell us.
I'm feeling very, first of all, very quiet because it's a dream of many students that they study in a big university or school, and my brother achieved this, so this is a great for all our family. We are visiting and we are gathering a new experiences. If he will not here, I think we can't feel that experience, that how the students come from their home, from the big cities, and they are living in like a cage like hostels. But i I am also saying, but this hostel is not like a cage, and it's a so much pure environment and a pure organic vegetables food also we will provide it.
Okay, okay. So basically, dear, I'll tell you another thing. When basically Nikhil went to outside for having the resolve. Do you know resolve? I think we called the samosa in English resolve. I think basically I don't know what the particular meaning of that word, but as I remember, I think that is called we resolve like that. I don't know. So I will talk to him how he is feeling in this hostel, and then basically I want to tell you one thing also. He got a one prize also here. He got a 10,000 rupees in basically what is debate what storytelling. So basically, nee, I will tell you with the storytelling, we can call that storytelling. So he got a 10,000 prize in the storytelling because he written something else as compared to other children's. They wrote in their storytelling. So I will tell you what types of and how after getting that prize, how he's feeling. So dear, finally he has come to back after visit there. So Nikhil, why you are feeling so shy? You, as you can see, this is very shy person, and he's telling why you are feeling this kind of things, yeah. Just come. Dear, basically, why we are all want to learn the English, so that's why we are trying to make video in English. So don't mind if we are taken any mistakes in this video. So Nikhil, what would you like to say, and how you are feeling after meeting us? You can tell us.
First of all, I want to say my mama, he comes.
Please speak loudly, because my mic is very cheap, and I am also very cheap person. So speak loudly so audience can will always.
First of all, I will thanks to my mama. He come to visit my school. I was very surprised to meet him. So mama, I thanks to come.
He's saying he's very surprised after meeting us. Basically, when we all are entered in this college, and she was standing at the door, and she was looking a lot of persons when my parents will come, and suddenly he saw us, and he was feeling very nostalgic. And so after that we celebrated the Raksha Bandhan in this college, and I will tell you and I will explain a lot of things as we move ahead in this college. Okay, so we will continue in next. He will explain some things about their college. So Nikhil, what would you like to say about your college? And you can tell us how's the food over here, and where you will do all the pray to God in the morning. and where is your library? That kind of things you can explain us.
The school library was in the school. They was in this direction, and the food is very nice because the food was coming from the natural farming. Natural farming is a very rare farming. In the school, they do all type of farming, but they do natural farming, and that food was come to me.
Dear, I would like to show you the Haryana's number one horse. He can run.
Very fast in Haryana.
Okay, let me tell you one thing. Basically, I came here for look a horse, and he is the India's Haryana's number one horse. Then he can run very fastly
In Haryana.
in whole Haryana, right? So, and you can see this is the horse and the white color, and I think he's not feeling very well, so that's why he's standing as in the proper way, and he's sleeping right now. As you can see, this is the white color, and it looks like very nicely. And you can see the very, you can see there is the ceiling fan is also available over there. Dear, see, this is the Champa. No, this is the Lakshmi. And I'm feeling very happy after looking this. Yeah, I'm feeling very overjoyed. Yeah, we can say pumped up also. We can say here, and you can see this is very soft skin. Like this is why so cute. I think she's Lakshmi name, and she's very cute. You can see. So now we have finished overall all task, and we have already celebrated the Raksha Bandhan over here. And right now, me and my nephew Nikhil is available over here. And basically, one thing, Nikhil wins the prize 10,000. He won the prize 10,000 in across all over uh, state level. So Nikhil, I wanna ask you. I want to ask you. Please explain some points. Ki how much children are available over there, and how many amount you won in this storytelling competition. And I think I heard one news also. Before this competition, you also won the one prize in the chess, because you have been played the chess on the state level. I think, as far as I am concerned, but I am not sure on which level you won the prize. So just I want to know with you. So please explain some points.
First of all, I win chess prize in district. I was got a silver medal in district. So, and I tell you, I won a 10,000 prize cash from all over Haryana. So I give an innovative idea to inspire Manik. Their one website was launched by government. I give them idea for electronic gloves. That gloves was protected girls from goons, and they feel safe. So I give this idea. I give this idea to government of Haryana. After some 4 or 5 years, I think there is no response from Haryana government, and I no understanding the prize money is coming or not. So after 3 or 4 months on this May April, so I got a news from my teacher. Nikhil, you won a 10,000 rupees from Haryana's government, and now you make a electronic gloves, and the submission date is very near. So I think so. I made these gloves and give to the Haryana Sarkar, and now let's see more cash prize of there and exhibition.
Okay, so basically, this is very huge thing, and really this is very big thing for us. And he's telling us he's working on a project. Basically, there was a storytelling competition, so he won the competition in storytelling. He wrote some points in their story, and he wrote how we can protect the girl. And basically he wants to say that, like, if someone is teasing the girls, then they feel the electricity. Am I right? So we can protect the girls. So I think so Nikhil, are you working on this project, or anyone?
Right now is working. Right now my teacher helped me to working this project, and they are take one or 2 weeks to complete this project.
Okay, okay. It means the project's about to complete in all over 1 or 2 week approximate, and there is a lot of team is working on this project. And this is very huge thing for us here because we can't imagine. And Nikhil's mummy was thinking how he can win the prize in competition. Yes. So, and this is very shocked news for a whole the family. But finally, he got the prize